How to delete your Bitmojis on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can delete or unlink your Bitmojis on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, Bitmojis are just those little emoji avatars that you create on Snapchat, which is a fun way to represent yourself on your profile pictures or anywhere else. And if you want to get rid of your Bitmoji, or maybe you might just want to change some of the outfits or anything as such, it's very easy to do those. Just go ahead and then launch the Snapchat app. Once you launch the Snapchat app, you'll be able to see that this is how the interface is going to look like. So just tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side. This is our current Bitmoji avatar, as you could see. Now if we want to get rid of this and we want to actually delete it, then tap on the gear icon on the top right corner and you'll be taken to the settings page. Once you're on settings page, here you have to select the option that says Bitmoji. Once you tap on Bitmoji, if you want to make any changes to your Bitmoji, such as changing the outfit, changing a selfie, or changing your Bitmoji itself as a whole, then you can go ahead and do that. But in order to unlink or delete it, tap at the bottom that says Unlink my Bitmoji, and you can see it reads, are you sure you want to unlink your Bitmoji account? If you created a Bitmoji through Snapchat, it will be deleted. So just tap on the unlink button. As you tap on the unlink button, now you can see it says me to create my avatar. That means that our Bitmoji has been successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.